Alright, no, guys, but on a serious matter, I really have to tell you guys something. Like, I'm really serious.
What's up? Just come out. I'm here.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay. No, just tell us.
I love you.
This isn't the time for that. It's okay.
I've always wanted to be a bird.
Oh my God! Me too! No way! Oh my God! I thought I was the only one! Let's be birds, guys. Let's just do it! Birds. Let's be birds.
Sounds good.
Fine.
Yes!
Bird time.
Yeah, birds!
Time. Woo!
Let's go be birds.
First, we're gonna learn how to perch. Ready, Bailey?
Okay.
Let's do it.
Oh my God, are you guys being birds?
Yeah.
I have always wanted to do that. Oh my God.
Do you want to join?
Yeah?
Yeah! You guys, I'm gonna try and fly. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, my leg!
Alright, so all birds, they start before they fly. So
Alright.
ready?
Yeah?
You're gonna go on 3.
Okay.
Stay on the chair again. 1, 2, 3. I don't think that works.
Wait, I think I got this. It's my turn. Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
I don't think that one worked for you either. But yeah.
Epic fail.
Birds also wreak havoc. Come with us while we
Try out our skills. Let's go.
Yeah.
I think it worked. It's mating season.
I got him right in the nuts.
Hey, what's up?
Ow! Fail.
Birds also poop on people.
And she was like, oh my gosh, Brittany, why would you ever say that? And I was like, I don't know. I mean, it's not even like my fault or anything. You know, like, why would it even happen to me? Ew, it pooped on me.
I heard being pooped on by a bird is good luck though.
Shut up! Ah!
Angry face.
Sometimes our fellow brothers and sister birds die.
Oh my God! I think she's dead! Oh wait, she's still moving. Maybe?
Do you guys want to go get ice cream?
Yeah, let's go get ice cream. Come on, let's go.
do it.
Sometimes birds jerk.
Messing with the squad, let your body part solo. My way to the right, I bang it like a cholo. Bang it like a cholo. My way to the right, I bang it like a cholo. Messing with the crew, let your body part solo. Savvy to the brain, and I bang it like a cholo. Bang it like a cholo. Bang it like a cholo. OMG, I can't believe I'm me. LOL, it's crazy cause I'm only 15. Knock it out the park, boom, there it goes again. Bravo times 2 like a side.